So how do we change the value of what we display on our screen? I use another tool for that. It's an equivalent to the plugin we use in Figma, but this is a desktop application called Microflow. And so as you can see in the flow, I have a button. So that's the button we have here on the Arduino, connected to pin number 2, and a MQTT endpoint where we public to sensor value. So whenever I press this, you can see a little event going between them. If we go to the website, we can see the same happening. Whenever I press the button, you can see that value changes. I can also rewire this. So instead of using the button, I can use the potentiometer. And whenever I change that, you can see the potentiometer changing in my UI. If I go back to the website, we also can see that value. So we go from hardware, from the Arduino, over the tool MQTT, and for this case, we go to my website, or a website. We can also see this a bit more visually, how the messages work in this graph. So whenever I change the potentiometer, you can see all these messages flowing. Same if I press this button. Oh, I need to rewire that again. So I undo the wiring from the potentiometer and do the wiring again from the button. So whenever I press this button again, you can see that signal going on. And on the other side, we can also see that signal flowing.